and happy winter, everybody. We are officially into Vlogmas. It's not super Christmassy here in my house yet because I am pre-filming this, as a lot of you may know. But if you are new here, I am pre-filming just a little bit. But today we are going to be discussing winter comfort foods. I have 3 top faves. Normally I would make these for you as well as discuss them, but this time around I'm very pregnant and getting very close to my C-section date, and I don't have time to do much cooking. I honestly have just been doing a lot of frozen foods. To give you guys some excellent recipes and ideas for some good, solid, filling, delicious winter comfort food, we're filming this now. So the first one I'm going to be talking about, I actually will have the entire recipe written down below because it is my personal recipe, and that is for shepherd's pie. I love shepherd's pie. It is my favorite winter food of all time. It's okay in the fall. It's good in the fall when it starts to cool off a little bit, but it is so much better in the winter. It is just such a good, filling, solid, you get everything in one meal kind of food. This is also a very easy to alter recipe, so if there's something you don't like, you can easily take it out, or if there's another vegetable or something that you want in it, you can easily add to it. Basically, my personal shepherd's pie recipe consists of ground beef, a Clubhouse shepherd's pie packet. Although you don't need that, it's not necessary. I like it for a little extra flavor because I don't put any extra seasoning in my shepherd's pie. Diced white onion. I used to put peas in it, but the family that I cook for now, not a fan of peas, so I've eliminated the peas. I pretty much just do onion. My homemade mashed potatoes, which literally just consists of yellow potatoes. Yellow is essential for my personal mashed potatoes. Margarine or butter, and milk, lactose free. And then we top it all off with a fromage. The next 2 recipes aren't necessarily my recipes. I do have different recipes for them, but I, for the sake of ease, have listed my 2 favorite that I have found down below. Pot roast. Pot roast is a good, classic, easy go-to. I say easy because there are so many slow cooker recipes out there for it. If you are nervous about doing a roast in the oven, overcooking it, undercooking it, literally just having to put that much work into it, the recipe I chose specifically is a crockpot recipe. I really just like anything heavy, potatoy, and full of gravy. And then the last one, again, you can find hundreds of recipes for. This one I've linked down below is the closest to my personal recipe, and that is for chili. Chili can just be eaten with literally anything, and it's literally delicious. But there's just something. It doesn't have to be spicy. I personally love to just chop up a shit ton of jalapenos and put it in my chili because I love jalapenos. But my classic standard recipe does not have jalapenos in it. The one I've linked is a very basic recipe, so you can literally just build from that and add whatever you personally want. So I do have those 2 recipes linked down below. I have never made them before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about them. Like I said, this is kind of just a quick idea, a little brainstorm, if you will, of some delicious wintry foods. But check out those recipes if you want. If you try out my personal shepherd's pie recipe, please let me know down in the comments what you think, because I think it is A+, and I've never had a single person tell me it wasn't amazing. But that's a little bit of tooting my own horn here. So let me know what your absolute favorite winter comfort foods are down below. Stay tuned. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do that if you want, because Vlogmas is only beginning. I like to start out easy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.